How to set keyboard stickers to show in predictive text area or show above keyboard. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. In here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then we scroll down and tap on Suggest Stickers. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then tap on Sticker Suggestion Method. From the list here, you can choose Show in Predictive Text Area. So here you can see it will show in the predictive text area just right above the keys. Otherwise, we can choose Show above the keyboard. So it will show above the keyboard, above your input text. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.